Okay, so we've got the 25mm bunting template here, and we're going to use the edge of the fabric here as your edge here, and you're going to draw around this template on your fabric. I've left it doubled over so that I will cut twice as many bunts out. That's what we're going to call them, bunts. And if I go here, so if I go from here to here using this straight line still, draw around this one, then I also have to just place that in the middle there and just draw around this line at the top, and then I've got 1, 2, 3 on this half here. If I continue to draw along here on this half, that means I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bunts just out of making this one. And there's plenty, loads of bunts to make a little set. I'm going to cut them out now. I've got these fabric scissors, they're excellent for cutting through too, but I've also got some average household scissors here. Well, we use them at the art stop, so long as they work reasonably well, you can get through 2 layers of fabric in one foul swoop. Okay, so there's 2 flags ready to be decorated. And if I cut along this line at the top, I've got 1 here, 2 here, so I'm going to go with these 5 to show you about the decoration. Okay, again, here I am, and I've laid out some of my flags, my bunts on here. If you really want to a really neat finish, you could iron your fabric before you start. That's a good idea. I haven't done for these, so this one is a little bit creased, but the rest I can cope with. Now, masking tape is paper tape. Very easy to tear with your finger and thumb, or just your thumb. And it's tacky on one side. What I'm going to do is use this, I'm going to stick down some masking tape onto my bunts to create a pattern. I'm going to do very simple patterns, some stripes on this one. And if you don't cut off enough masking tape, just add it to it. Where you put this tape, no paint should get under it, so you will be left with the colour of the fabric. So all of your bunting is going to be 3 coloured, so long as you use the 2 colours out the bag. So you'll have this colour, which is kind of an off-white, which is where the masking tape is, and then you'll have the other colours, however you choose to put those on here. And you can do them any pattern you want. If you want to do a circle, it's a bit more complex, you can use small bits at a time. If you wanted to do a circle, I'd cut small bits, place them next to each other, prepare yourself lots of little bits of masking tape. And the thing is with masking tape is, if you don't like what you've done, you just peel it back off again and then place down some more in the way that you want it to look. So if we were doing a circular or curved bits, this is a really good way to do it, little bits. You can cut the end of your masking tape with scissors if you want a really neat edge. So you get something roundish there, so you can see that. Okay. And I'm going to do a little wavy pattern on this one, I think.